In 2008, this was my first real steam engine build. It was based on Elmer Verbourg's beam engine, but I found that Elmer's stuff was so small I had trouble seeing it. So I scaled it up 1.5 times from what Elmer had originally drawn the plan at, and made a few minor modifications to the base. By and large, it's still very much Elmer Verbourg's engine. I posted the plans in 2008 and I showed it running, and somehow over the years PhotoBucket has managed to lose the link. And I've had a number of people contact me by email, the latest today, saying that they wanted to build this, but they'd really appreciate seeing it run. So I'm attempting here to make another video to show you this. It's not a difficult build. Perhaps the flywheel could have been a little bit heavier, but again, as I say, this was sort of my maiden voyage at any kind of a large type of engine other than a wobbler. And the plans are all posted on the HMEM forum, and there's a download link on there. So I'm going to put a little air pressure on this now and give it a spin so you guys can see it run. I know I've had a lot of requests for it and the link is gone, so we're going to try to run it here and address that. So there we go. It's running at, I don't know, about 10 psi there. Now mind you, it's kind of dirty and nasty. It's been sitting up on a shelf here ever since 2008. And it's dusty here in my office. I'm right next to my main garage and my machine shop. And the copper base has oxidized. At one point in time, that copper base was nice and shiny, and now it's kind of nasty. But here you can see the engine, you can see all the moving parts. It'll run quite slowly. I can probably slow it down a bit from where it is. Beam engines were never intended to run at a high speed. Here you can see the valve mechanism, and of course I have, coming from the eccentric, I have a link to this side, and it goes across through the base to the other side, and I have dual arms coming up to operate this shaft, which of course operates the control valve for it. I'm going to try and slow it down a little bit more. Like I say, it will run slow, but then again, it's been sitting on a shelf for 4 years, so it's a bit gummed up. So I'm going to post this and we'll have a current video of it running. Thank you very much.